COVID-19 pandemic has devastated the travel and tourism industry worldwide, and Morocco's historic city of Marrakesh is all but a pale shadow of its past self. The 11th century UNESCO World Heritage Site is almost empty, and the city is facing an unprecedented crisis. Our next report tells you more.
The famed Jamal Fana Square draws visitors from across the world for its colourful performances, cafes and shops which sold everything from slippers to spices. The square lies forlorn and empty of the musicians, souvenir sellers and fortune tellers who ordinarily ply their trade. Most of the stores are shuttered, and the shopkeepers have little hope of things returning to normal anytime soon.
There is nothing to do at the moment. The crisis is everywhere. We are opening our shops just to be present because there is nothing to do at home. We are tired. There is no tourism and most of the shops are closed. We hope that the people in charge will come to see us because no one has done so. We are suffering in silence.
Morocco declared a state of health emergency in mid-March and shut its borders to stop coronavirus from spreading. After the initial pandemic restrictions were eased, traders and tourist operators hope domestic tourism might help them recover some of their losses. But a surge in cases brought new restrictions, including the closure of Marrakesh and 7 other cities, dealing a body blow to hopes of a revival. Marrakesh, along with the economic capital Casablanca, is among the worst affected cities. The kingdom has recorded over 1,000 cases on any day since July, the highest surge among North African nations. The medical fraternity in Morocco is struggling to cope up with the surge. Hospitals are overrun, testing is inadequate, and the number of medics contracting the infection is rising steadily by the day. Residents are worried. They are aware of the threat the virus poses. However, they are also worried that if the virus doesn't get them, economic despair will.
There's a crisis in Marrakech as there are no customers. We open our shops just to pass the time and the day as there is no sale. I pray to God that the authorities will find a solution for this situation, especially for the airports, so that the tourists can come. Marrakech relies on tourism, but even local tourism has stopped here. We don't know why.
In 2019, Marrakesh attracted 1 in every 3 visitors to Morocco, accounting for nearly 3 million visitors. Tourism drives Marrakesh's economy, and like the challenge before all governments worldwide, the choice is between saving lives and livelihoods. Further restrictions could mean that the kingdom will face its worst recession in over 2 decades. On social media, there are calls to save the city, with many using the hashtag Marrakesh suffocates. For the time being, there seems little that can be done to alleviate the suffering. Bureau Report, WION World is One.